The greatest test isn't a storm, it's time. PVH trackers are specified for long service life. Structure, drives, bearings, and controls are selected for years of daily cycles and weather exposure. We validate with accelerated cycling and environmental testing, then watch performance in the field. Real-time monitoring flags anomalies early, enabling predictive maintenance and higher availability. Designing for decades means thinking about maintenance, availability, and energy delivered every day of a project's life. Fewer failures and less downtime over the long run means better energy yield and stronger returns. That's lifetime value by design. Track the sun, deliver the energy, endure the decades.